Hi, my name is Jenny. The purpose of this video is to introduce some basic and fundamental concepts of architecture in an easy and understandable way, showing pictures of Venezuela's architecture which will help us to interpret the definitions that will be named. Let's start with color. Color is an effect produced on the eye and its associated nerve by light wave. Color is an implement in architecture to give life to a design. For example, in a health center or business building, is more adequate a range of soothing colors with a warm combination. Restaurants and hotels are characterized for mixing bright and warm colors with the purpose of providing stimulating and exciting effects. And primary colors, which are bright, are used in the most of the nursery schools because they depict childhood. Light. Lighting could make a big difference in how you feel about your home, providing safety, comfort, allows you to perform tasks efficiently and helps to exploit a room potential. It creates open, airy, cozy, relaxing, or entertaining areas. For example, the Flower of Hanover, located in Barquisimeto, is a creation of the architect Fruto Vivas, where the accent light plays an important role as it brings out this unusual artwork. Likewise, the Aula Magna, conceived by Villanueva, is one of the most recognized auditoriums by Venezuelans. The room contains several baffles which serve a good illumination function and also they work as decorative elements. Another example is La Vela, which is the newest mall in Margarita. Externally, light plays the role of highlight colors and shapes of the building, making it really attractive. The light is present in every corner of this mall, embellishing and attracting the audience, and sometimes adding a touch of elegance. Texture is defined as a specific quality of a surface which results from its three-dimensional structure. Here we have some examples like Caracas International Airport Simón Bolívar, which is characterized by the floor and wall of the aisle, which are decorated with a work of Carlos Cruz Diez. In my opinion, this composition represents a visual texture because it's a combination of pigments which transmit different sensations like color alternation, expansion of space, and the feeling that the design creates shapes even when we know that it's totally flat. Moreover, the use of light is adequate to emphasize the patterns and rhythms of this artwork. The next picture is a house called Villa Planchar, designed by Gio Ponti. Internally, this house is composed by different texture treatments, a strip floor, marble floors with girth spots, the combination between ceilings and curtains, and the dining rooms represent a texture mixture form. The floor, the wall of horizontal wooden walls, the yellow stripes, roof, and the front wall decor match perfectly. Rhythm. Rhythm in architecture provides a feeling of harmony, simplicity, and power. Its concept makes reference to an object's attribute that is marked by a systematic recurrence of elements having recognizable relationships between them. The World Trade Center in Venezuela is a very symmetrical construction. The repetition of shapes dominates. Most of the windows have the same size. The size of the ceramics that form the facade are equally to each other and rectangular shapes abound. The two towers have the same height. The windows, the space between them, the horizontal and vertical stripes that form the building. Horizontal circulation determines the basic shape and character of the entire structure, referring to building size, circulation, and level changes. And vertical circulations are those which furnish means to progress from one level to another. To explain these topics, we have a mall named Via Veneto. Regarding to horizontal circulation, this building has its circulation elements adequate in size, allowing to flow comfortable. Each circulation path works well in either direction because visualization is facilitated everywhere. The horizontal circulation revolves around a large central area. Changes in level are clearly expressed by railings in these empty corridors from one side. Moreover, the circulation of this structure aesthetically transmits a peaceful climax. Above vertical circulation, this presents different elements such as escalators, spiral stairs, and elevators. Scale. Scales is the same relationship of two teams or parts of the whole. The measuring tools could be the other parts of the building or the human scale. And space is the principal objective of architecture. An architect's job is to create a structure manipulating forms, patterns, and texture of space. For example, the Central University of Venezuela is scaled to their environment and purpose, educational, and it has an overpowering appearance. Villanueva's works highlight the different textures used, the games of horizontal and vertical spaces, and closing with transparent walls, such as giant shutters, filter the sunlight and create optical effects. From my point of view, Venezuela has a unique architecture because although geometry predominates, the other elements such as texture, color, scale provide a wide variety. Venezuela mixes old buildings and ultra-modern buildings. This demonstrates an unique architectural diversity. For instance, business offices are distinguished by their set of cubes that are projected onto the facade. It's true that this block architecture abounds, but also exists vanguard architecture that offers innovation. Never forget that Venezuelan architecture is the art built as much as in Venezuela as by Venezuelan architects around the world. In my opinion, this project allowed me to see that in Venezuela there are more architectural works than I thought, expanding knowledge, culture, and vision of our country, which has various architectural works that deserve to be recognized and preserved through time.